What's going on, Raptors family? This is Wraptors Weekly, episode number 5. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Welcome to our Raptors. This week's episode number 5. We got the Rolls Royce, my personal vehicle, Drophead in Diamonds Are Forever by Wraptors Film. All right, so you'll never ever see this Drophead in this color again in the world. I promise you that. All right, so we also got the Velar, went from black to Nardo Gray. Love the look. We did a little different this time. We also got the Model 3, came all the way from dealerships straight to us for satin black, from black to satin black. All right, so stay tuned for that. And an incredible vehicle that came all the way from Montreal for a starlight, Bentley Mulsanne. Okay, so white on white look. We installed 850 stars in the vehicle. We also included the shooting stars for them. Okay, so very cool little project. So make sure you stay tuned. You're gonna see this ahead of you. Okay, let me talk to you about this Drophead. Okay, this is my personal vehicle. This was my dream car. As you guys know, there's not many out there. I believe there's only 2 or 3 in Canada. This is a Drophead Phantom. So what I did was I re-gutted the whole interior. So originally it's black, looks a little, old. It doesn't stand out, right? So what we did was we did the Hermes edition orange. We blocked out all the wood. We restained the wood in the back. And we added the Hermes edition orange that came straight from Italy. So again, this is a Drophead. You will never see this again. This is diamonds. It looks incredible in the sun. It does not look the best at night. I'm not really happy. It looks a little bit boring. It looks a little bit, what do you want to call it, Thomas? Silverish, mattish look, and you can see all the dirt and everything on it. I don't even know how to wash this thing, to be honest with you. So this car is parked inside at all times unless it's sunny like today. So stay tuned for the results. I'm very excited to show you this week's project. This is gonna be a unique one. And shout out to Black Cat Media. All right, the boy killing it always.
What's up, everybody? It's Monday at Raptors. We have a Range Rover in. We're starting this today. It's going Nardo Gray. As you can see, it's got a nice trim with the rose gold. We're going to be blacking this out. Have a full blackout package with the rock gray. Let's stay tuned. Check this out. This is my favorite part. What's up, everybody? End of the day today. It's been a long one. As you can see, the Range Rover is now done in the Nardo Gray. We have some nice black accents down there. The rose rolled really accents it well. We switched up the patterns a little bit, so it's got one nice thin black stripe along the side. Looks beautiful. Check it out.
Yeah, so just give us a call back. This is the best one ever. I have to buy up you. Okay, I'll call you back. Okay, leave the fucking office, okay? Next time not. We can get through this day, yeah, baby. We can get through this, baby, yeah. Oh, hard work a minute. Hard work, baby. Dedication and hard work. Oh, baby, I feel it.
Hey guys, Grizzly here, welcome to Raptors. We have this Tesla Model 3 in for a full wrap. It's going satin black, check it out.
What's up guys, we have this satin black Tesla here. We fully wrapped it, we also tinted the windows. Check it out.
It's gonna be the end of me. I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion, and that smile's gonna be the end of me. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai.
Okay, get out of the car. You drive to a f***ing car. Both of you guys, can you go in? Actually, you know what? Both of you sit in the car. Go for a drive. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Toronto Raptors. Mr. Raptors himself is here. Grizzly the Bear is next to me. He's going to tell you exactly what we've done to this Gucci Fiat. The big boss.
Hey guys, welcome to Raptors. We got this Fiat 500 Gucci. We did the head unit in it. Gucci interior. We didn't do that. It comes with it for some reason. Added the Gucci stripes on the side, and yeah, check it out. Oh, seatbelts. Gucci seatbelts.
He's gonna fit.
His head's gonna come out.
He's gonna have to make it fit. It's okay, just sit, so you'll be fine. Opa, there she goes. See?
What's that? Oh, hello. Good evening, guys. This is Donnie Cash with Raptors News. We have some complaints of loud exhaust by District 1 Police. They pulled over the culprit. They pulled over the culprit and they found out that he's been actually told 3 times that he has too loud of exhaust. We also found out in the news that his tints are very dark and needs to get them removed. What's that? Oh, we found out that he actually is an employee of Raptors. His name is Grizzly. Grizzly, do you care to explain?
You know, got pulled over. So I was driving, you know. Cops have nothing better to do than pull over a car that's too loud. Because it's the biggest crime in the world to drive a car that's loud.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Grizzly. I'll also let you guys know that if you can put your foot in the exhaust, it means your car is fast. Last but not least, this episode is sponsored by Sentier Tequila. Thank you guys so much. This is Donnie Cash signing off. Have a great day, guys.
And now let's get back to Bentley.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Mr. T here. Right now I'm working on the Bentley Mulsanne headliner. We're doing a Starlight 860-piece stars in here. I'm not sure this has ever been done before. It's actually a 4-piece headliner. This is my third section out of the 4 to get done. And then I can put it in, hopefully trying to get that done by tonight. Long process. I was here late last night, here a little bit late in the morning trying to get this thing done. But yeah, takes a long time.
That's your Rolls Royce.
What about it?
Like that.